Hello, welcome back to the Floyd's channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to extend the length of your, or not extend it however you want to do it for your invitation links. If a person's on vacation, let's say, and they didn't get to see it, and then you're not online for another week, and they want to get into your Discord server. Well, here's the way to do it. Alright, you press the invite people, you get your thing, and then it says here, your invite link will never expire. I can edit it, which I have set it to this. You can do the max number uses, or you can do it like this, so it'll expire in 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, a day, 7 days, or never. Which I've set mine to never. So, yeah, that. As I've said before, people have probably never seen this. You can generate your new link after that, but that's just to show you. And next, you look here, threads, notification settings, pinned messages, right here. If people don't want to show their members, just to protect the privacy, which I have barely any, you click this and it'll hide it and show it. Yeah, isn't that neat? And also, so this is the only thing you can probably do that I haven't shown you yet until I find some more stuff out. But that's all for this video. Goodbye!